What is the purpose of an alcoholometer? A. To measure the density of sugar solutions. B. To measure the density of milk. C. To measure the volume of spirits. D. To measure higher levels of alcohol in spirits. The correct answer is D. To measure higher levels of alcohol in spirits. What type of vessel is a thermos flask described as? A. An open vessel. B. A conducting vessel. C. An insulating storage vessel. D. A reactive vessel. The correct answer is C. An insulating storage vessel. What is formed during a neutralization reaction? A. Only a base. B. Only hydrogen gas. C. Only an acid. D. Water and salt. The correct answer is D. Water and salt. Which of the following is not listed as a major class of plant hormones? A. Flavonoids. B. Cytokinins. C. Auxins. D. Gibberellins. The correct answer is A. Flavonoids. Which type of pain is associated with dengue fever? A. Abdominal pain. B. Ear pain. C. Chest pain. D. Joint and muscle pain. The correct answer is D. Joint and muscle pain. In what year did the individual mentioned in the text join ISRO as a scientist? A. 1983. Born in 1981. Circa 1984. D. 1982. The correct answer is D. 1982. What is the relationship between the angle of incidence, I, and the angle of refraction, R, according to Snell's law? A. The ratio of their sines is constant. B. Their product is constant. C. Their sum is constant. D. The ratio of their cosines is constant. The correct answer is A. The ratio of their sines is constant. What is the definition of pressure in the context of fluids? A. Thrust exerted per unit area. B. Force applied over a large area. C. Thrust exerted per unit volume. D. Weight of the fluid divided by its height. The correct answer is A. Thrust exerted per unit area. What term is used to describe the byproducts from which synthetic fibers are made? A. Geological composites. B. Biomaterials. C. Petrochemicals. D. Hydrocarbons. The correct answer is C. Petrochemicals. What is the process called when impurities settle down at the bottom of a tank? A. Sedimentation. B. Evaporation. C. Filtration. D. Distillation. The correct answer is A. Sedimentation. What is the main role of mitochondria in a cell? A. Forming the cell wall. B. Synthesizing proteins. C. Producing most of the cell's ATP supply. D. Storing inorganic molecules. The correct answer is C. Producing most of the cell's ATP supply. Which of the following is not listed as a fabric type? A. Cotton. B. Acrylic. C. Polyester. D. Nylon. The correct answer is A. Cotton. Can plants live without water? A. Depends on the plant. B. True. C. False. D. Sometimes. The correct answer is C. False. What is the state of sulfur, S, in the example reaction with oxygen? A. Solid. B. Gaseous. C. Liquid. D. Aqueous. The correct answer is A. Solid. In the context of charges, what does TRIAN++ suggest? A. A neutral state. B. A triangular distribution. C. A negative charge. D. A positive interaction or generation. The correct answer is D. A positive interaction or generation. What is allowed in a national park besides the betterment of wildlife? A. None of the above. B. Forestry. C. Private ownership. D. Cultivation. The correct answer is A. None of the above. What physical state change is associated with the absorption of latent heat? A. Solid to liquid. B. Solid to gas. C. Liquid to gas. D. Gas to liquid. The correct answer is A. Solid to liquid. What type of path must an electric circuit form for an electric current to pass through it? A. A disconnected and parallel path. B. A branching and one-way path. C. An open and intermittent path. D. A continuous and closed path. The correct answer is D. A continuous and closed path. What enhances visual learning in the book? A. Complex diagrams. B. Black and white images. C. Colorful infographics and infobits. D. Long paragraphs. The correct answer is C. Colorful infographics and infobits. Which term refers to cells that have not yet specialized into a particular cell type? A. Specialized cells. B. Undifferentiated cells. C. Mature cells. D. Differentiated cells. The correct answer is B. Undifferentiated cells. What stimulates the heart muscles to contract? A. Electrical impulses from the sinoatrial node. B. Physical stretching of the muscle fibers. C. Pressure changes within the blood vessels. D. Chemical signals from the brain. The correct answer is A. Electrical impulses from the sinoatrial node. What is another name for Kalnai Dam? A. The ancient dam. B. The Great Reservoir. C. Grand Anicut. D. The Water Tower. The correct answer is C. Grand Anicut. What should you always use to avoid land pollution? A. A furnace. B. A recycling machine. C. A composting pile. D. A waste bin. The correct answer is D. A waste bin. What is a consequence of increased gastric secretion caused by smoking? A. Improved digestion. B. Decreased acid reflux. C. Reduced risk of ulcers. D. Gastric and duodenal ulcers. The correct answer is D. Gastric and duodenal ulcers. What is located on the truncate snout of a rabbit? A. Ears and vibrissae. B. Eyes and neck. C. Fur and tail. D. Mouth and external nares. The correct answer is D. Mouth and external nares. What is the term for a substance used to prevent infection on living tissue? A. Antibiotic. B. Sterilizer. C. Antiseptic. D. Disinfectant. The correct answer is C. Antiseptic. Which law quantifies the amount of scattering of light? A. Boyle's law. B. Snell's law. C. Rayleigh's scattering law. D. Newton's law of universal gravitation. The correct answer is C. Rayleigh's scattering law. What year range defines the lifespan of Galileo Galilei as mentioned in the text? A. 1700 to 1780. B. 1600 to 1680. C. 1490 to 1564. D. 1564 to 1642. The correct answer is D. 1564 to 1642. What is one aspect of heat that students will learn about in the related lesson? A. The transfer of heat. B. The history of thermodynamics. C. The electrical properties of heat. D. The chemical composition of heat. The correct answer is A. The transfer of heat. What is the longest part of the alimentary canal? A. Large intestine. B. Small intestine. C. Esophagus. D. Stomach. The correct answer is B. Small intestine. How did you score?